Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, it's a girl here, Beckyciana254. Today I'm going to show you how to use a bread toaster and how to make crunchy bread. Yeah, if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, watch and comment. I love you guys. Hello, I'm going to show you how to use this bread toaster. This is 𝚘𝚊𝚜𝚜. So I'm going to show you how to use it. This is our bread here. I'm using festive bread. So I'll put my slices here like this. So to start with, I've connected it to power. So after connecting it to power, I take a slice like this. I do hold mine like this. Place it like that. And another one like this. Place it like that. Then just like that. You see now, it's automatic. Before it heats, you can see. Do not touch the metal surface, or the silver surface, because if it gets hot, you can see it's on. It's on. Let's see. Let's see how it will turn out to be. I give it some time. We're gonna see how it will be. So we check. I don't know why it is not popping direct, so I'll just cancel. See? This one has ungua. So we try another one. And you place it like this. I love how they turn brown. Okay. Although this one has burnt here, but it is okay. I like the crunchiness. So, cancel. You see? Sula. Thank you. I'll add another one like this. Two slices at a go, like that. You see? You see? Very crunchy. Hey baby girl. just like that. Here. For those who wonder how to make breadcrumbs, you see, you just dry up your bread and cut it like this. So that is it. You see how good they look. Then after that, now you can apply your zester. Not that much, just a little. Okay. Thank you for watching.